Welcome to this video on Agentic AI for Business. From generative AI chat to safe, practical automation. This video covers four main areas: defining Agentic AI, process selection, system mechanics, and pilot planning. We'll explore what makes an AI system agentic, how to spot rule-based workflows, the role of triggers in monitoring, and a framework for launching a low-risk pilot. Agentic automation uses AI agents that can perceive context, reason about goals, plan steps, and execute actions with more autonomy than a normal chat interface. In an enterprise setting, these systems respond to triggers, coordinate across systems, and work with people in an orchestrated process. The core functions include perceive, reason, and act. Agentic AI goes beyond typical generative AI chat and basic automation. While chat provides answers or content, Agentic AI delivers a decision plus an action path. Unlike chat, which is user-initiated, Agentic AI can be initiated by a trigger, event, schedule, or agent handoff. It can adapt, escalate, and seek approvals, adding planning, autonomy, and orchestration to AI automation. Agentic automation fits best in repetitive workflows with clear business rules, involving multiple systems, but still requiring judgment for exceptions. Good candidates include high-volume requests and standard forms. Poor first pilots involve high-risk decisions, unclear ownership, poor data quality, low-volume work, or tasks needing empathy or legal interpretation. An agentic system operates through 5 steps: trigger, input, reason, act, and monitor. The key design principle is using autonomy for routine decisions, but adding approval gates when money, compliance, customer impact, or access rights are involved. Approvals, orchestration, and monitoring are crucial. Multi-stage and conditional approvals allow human checks. Orchestration coordinates agents, apps, and people. Monitoring logs flow status, actions, and costs for safe auditing and improvement. Other important elements include guardrails, escalation, an audit trail, and optimization. Agentic AI has real-world applications across various functions. In operations, it can handle inventory checks and vendor follow-ups. HR can use it for employee query triage and onboarding tasks. Finance applications include invoice review and discrepancy handling. Customer service benefits from ticket triage and refund workflows. Administration can use it for email sorting and status reporting. And IT for incident routing and patch workflows. Use this scoring framework to prioritize agentic use cases. Priority equals value plus feasibility minus risk. Start with the highest value, lowest risk pilot. Focus on a single process. Prefer a single team and clear owner, add approval on sensitive actions, and measure key metrics like cycle time, error rate, and effort saved. A strong pilot example is invoice discrepancy handling. This works because it is a high-volume, repetitive workflow with existing business rules. The flow is: an invoice arrives, the agent checks records, drafts a clarification or routes an exception, and an approver signs off before payment. The finance threshold acts as a key approval gate. Safe first steps for a pilot include choosing one bounded process where rules are visible and the owner is committed. Define guardrails by setting permissions and approval thresholds. Pilot in shadow mode, letting the agent recommend actions and increase autonomy gradually. Finally, instrument everything to track triggers, approvals, errors, cycle time, and cost from day one. Your next move is to pick one workflow, map the trigger input action approval path, run a small pilot, and prove value before scaling across the business. Remember, Agentic AI works best when autonomy is paired with governance.